Hello, now today we are going to discuss about the Mozo programming language, which is so famous now in a programming world. Uh, it's a replacement of Python. Everybody is saying about this, and its performance is very far well than the Python programming. Whatever the execution time they have, almost 35,000 x times Mozo performance has. So let's see here. You can see the Mozo coding. So first of all, here you can see I got the playground where I can play the Mozo kernels here. So here you can see the Mozo file name is ipynb, which is the similar as the Python, but you can see here you will find the only Mozo kernels. There is a no about any other kernels you will get here. Okay, so let's run the first code. Here is print hello Mozo. So it's same as the Python code. So let's see. It's here you can see the execution times, and apart from that, after that, here it's supporting the Python language same as you coded in Python. But if you are making a functions, like here you can see a def, and here you will get the let and var. Let for the immutable. So if function is not declared well, so it might get error like memory allocation. So if you assign like let, if your variable would be the immutable, or if your variable is mutable, so you should firstly define your what context, in which context your variable is used. So like mutable or immutable. So for the immutable you have to write it let first, and for the mutable you have to write it var. So it could get easily understand at which location memory would be allocated. So here you can see the executions time. So it's a very fast now. So as after this example, I can also see here def is assigned as a fn here in Mozo. So fn has some restricted privilege here, but def has no any such kind of restricted privilege. I will see again one by one which concept is essential for, and what concept has been restricted, and what concepts need to be uh, considered to be here. So here if you are declaring the class, you should declare the class name type. Here you can see here firstly my pair class has been defined. Then after that, if you want to use it, so you should uh, define your which class you want to be used here. So we got recently our playground access, so we will see the what things need to be considered here, and we will explain one by one things after knowing little bit depth understanding about this. So if I telling randomly about any things, it's a not good thing to be here to discuss. So I have to understand very well, and then after we will give you the real glimpse of how Mojo is working now. So but if you have registered not yet till now, so you should go on Mojo website and register there. You will get easily within 2 and 3 days playground access, and you can also use them, how it is. Might be after some time it will open for all of them, or some of the exe file or some other um, binary file will be available for in your local system, but now this time it is not as much as mature, so it's only for in playground in web form, so you can use there. So thank you to now here today. I'll discuss later about in detail. Thank you.